Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna make some chocolates for you. At first, we need to cut some papers. Now we need to draw some lines like this. Now we need to fill those lines. Like this. Now we need to write the name of this chocolate. Like this. Now we need to fill this. Now we need to put glue on this. After gluing, roll this paper like this. Properly like this. Now we need to tap this. Like this. Upper side and lower side we need to cut this like this. Here is some more chocolates. Here is the final look of my chocolates. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.